A new study suggests hormone replacement therapy does not prevent memory, mood, or sleep problems related to menopause. The study included data from nearly 125,000 pre- and postmenopausal women in the UK. Questionnaires showed postmenopausal women were more likely to experience anxiety, depression, insomnia, and fatigue. Researchers say hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, did not appear to ease symptoms, and in fact was linked to greater challenges in participants with pre-existing mental health conditions. Brain scans from about 11,000 women also showed reduced gray matter after menopause in key areas involved in memory, emotional regulation, and attention. These brain changes were seen whether or not women used HRT. However, hormone therapy did appear to slow age-related declines in reaction time. One study author says menopause can be a challenging transition with or without hormone therapy. While more research is needed to improve treatment options, she says a healthy lifestyle, exercising, keeping active, and eating a healthy diet, for example, is particularly important during this period to help mitigate some of its effects.